Hello, guys. This is Top Forex. It's been a long time, but I'm always with you guys. And thank you for every person that followed me to subscribe to get us to 300 subscribe in how many few months. It's a good process. Thank you, guys. I love you all. So let's go to the business. You all say it's been a long time. I draw something deeper. Yeah, I have reason for that. I see that no, knowing too much in this business is not about know everything or know too much. You just have to know little and work on ourselves. You just have to know little and work on ourselves. Knowing too much we just make the thing too much complicated. So I'll give you the reason why I'm telling you from my own experience. Kind of look too much, look for answer, look for every way around for me to understand market in every second's time they want to. But I realized I don't need it. Why? Because we shouldn't forget that market do change every time. Market change every time. You cannot compare the way chart move around 1900, 1900 or 2000 moving right now because there's an increase in population, increase in everything. So market do change. But when I realized that the only two things that do not change about market over the years and it will never change about the market is two things. And that is two things I put my energy on right now. So what are the two things? Is market take liquidity and imbalance. Market take liquidity and market fee imbalance. Why market need liquidity? Market need money. Market need money to move. So market want to move down little as a bearish. Before they could do that, market needs some money liquidity to be taken before they continue. Every high that people have been selling from, market need money, market need liquidity to move. That will never change about the market. The second thing that will never change about market is fair value gap, which we call imbalance. Right? So imbalance. What is that for? What is meaning of that? The meaning of fair value gap is just the difference between the fair value price for a stock or commodity and the recent price. Means, let's say the price was 10. The price market of that commodity is $10 right now, but the normal price supposed to be is $15. So difference between the fair value price, which is the $15, and the current price, which is $10, the difference between them is the one that causes that fair value gap. So market need to what? Balance that fair value gap, go to that being the fair value price before they will decide where they want to go. Are they going down, continue, or change momentum? So that is two things that will never change in my market. Fair value gap, which is imbalance. Market need to balance. The market need liquidity to move. So that is where I put my energy on liquidity. So I'm gonna use that concept. When market take liquidity on higher time frame stuff or free fair value on higher time frame, market can change direction. So I need to follow. That's how I use that to follow market as my bias. So, but now today we want to talk about something that we don't like to see. We don't want to entertain it at all. So you can see that this kind of streak I there win, lose, lose, win, lose, lose, win, win, lose, lose. So let us say you have We always accept winning trade, no matter how it went. If at all it doesn't move smoothly, we don't care. As winning is winning, that's what we said. But how do we entertain lose through? We don't like it at all. We don't want to see it. It's inevitable. We cannot do without it. We're gonna lose market, we're gonna lose trade. So, but how can we fix our losing streak? Let us now put on the table we have 10 losing streak in a row. It might not be in a row, it can be anything, it can be segmentally, but let's say in a row. So you and I, we know we have table of losing trades. But let us go back to our losing trade because we don't like losing trade. We want to fix everything to avoid it. Not to avoid it completely, but avoid too much of it. So I want to give you three things that cause losing trades. You know, opposite of what causing losing trade is the thing that will bring winning trades. And we already like winning trades. We love it. So means by doing everything against this, we resort to this. Doing everything in your power, in your patience, in your psychology way to avoid this is the result is this. So we don't really put energy. This is just a feedback of good work. But so the work we need to be doing is to work on this. You understand me? So anytime you going against this, definitely the result will be this, which we like it. So we talked about losing streak. So we want to know you and we want to know how do we lose our trade, most our trade. So let us put 10 losing trades on the table. So let us now check everything. By doing this, we have to record your trade. If you're not recording joining your trades, this is a good time you start. There's no like today right now, like this right now, like right now. So you need to start. So if you don't do that, there's no way you can find the way why you are losing your trade. You just believe that it's a losing trade that's done. It doesn't help the process. So by recording journal the trade, you can bring all the losing trade to the table. You want to work on it. Working on it will bring the other one, which is winning. So let us put to the table. How do I lose much of my trade in these 10 losing trades? So if you count it, like you now see that out of that 10, like 6, 7, 8, or even all of the trade was this fall into this. You have to fall into these three losing streak. Well, so let us start from number one. Number one we call liquidify losing. Mean, yeah, you put in $100 into this commodity or store or whatever. So, aiming to market will go up, give you more $300 in a return, which is a very, very good objection. So, but before market could go to that $300, that you want market to give you your $100 as get liquidated before they could go. So means that all much of your trade is it happened that market will just take you out, then they now start going to the direction you predicted. So liquidify losing. So if you have most of your trade losing this way, definitely you don't have any problem. You don't have problem anymore. Why you don't have problem is this. Okay, it's like out of my 10 losing trade that I want to fix this time, this is how I lose most of trade. Market just take me out. Like the way we call it manipulation, that's what we used to do. So that's what we used to talk. The market manipulates me and do this and do that. So we need to do what? We need to work on liquidity area, how to identify liquidity. Market was bullish. So market was bullish. I need market to come to claim liquidity. If market want to buy in a good place, then I have to see a place market already manipulated before, a place where liquidity has been taken before. this is a good area. If market could get here, I want to buy here. So you now know that it is not up to marketing anymore. It is now up to you. Mean, how can you be patient? Because market can come to this level and bought. Let can come to this level to this area, the first one and bought. You will feel like, oh, I missed it again. I should have entered there. I should have do this, do that. So you now know it's not about market, it's about you. Oh, market is bullish. Market need to come back and take some liquidity, fill fair value gap. That's what they do. But where can I possibly buy from if the trend is I believe the trend is still going up? Then I have to see a place where market already manipulated before they move all this one. That area, that means liquidity has been taken there. So that is the area I want to entertain to be looking for buy. So it is now up to you to have the patience. That's psychology way you need to handle that. That is a liquidity fight losing. So means you always buy at liquidity area. You always sold. You always bought at liquidity area. You always sold at liquidity area. Very simple as that. Once you find a way to avoid liquidity, then your losing streak will drop from 10 to 5, even lower. Trust me. All you have to know is understand why are you is this way you are losing most of your trade. If it is, then you need to work on liquidity. So you will not be the liquidity for the market. You understand me? That is called liquidity by losing. So much of my trade was liquidity sweep before go. So it's very, very fixable. And you have to record your losing trade to know if this is how you are losing before you can know how you can handle it. So number two is trade against trend. Trade against trend means market is bearish because of this market structure shift. It is now make you to forget that market is bearish. So you see it in your character here, you want to buy from here, which you forget that market just go up to take some liquidity here and to continue this. So if your let's say that 10 losing trade we put on the table, you and I, not only you. So we see that anytime I bought, market sold. Anytime I sold, market bought. So it's like I'm doing opposite market. That is why some people will said if you have a confidence to buy market that day, so because you want to buy, you have to switch to the sell. So because your what you see, because if market already formed something for you to see, if market already formed something for you to see, that means it already worked out. They already used it before it could form. Your job is to know how the other one's supposed to form and wait for the right place to be so they can form. But if market could form, that means it already happened. If market form, they want to see that this is how we formed, this is what we want to do now. Some people say, okay, if you want to buy, go opposite of what you want to do. If you do like 10 times, you will write 5 times. This is the reason why, because they believe that most of the time we always trade against the trend. So we always trade against trend. So how can we already solve this one. So that means trading against trend. How can we solve trading against trend? Is by what? Once we understand that market do what? Market sweep liquidity and fill imbalance. That is their job. So then using higher time frame insight, daily, weekly. So if you know market take liquidity on a buy side on daily, you see market structure shift towards that. Market is claiming to come down to fill some fair value gap below or take another liquidity below. So by doing that, you have to follow the higher time frame. So you can see that okay, in daily time frame, the candle keep breaking above, keep breaking the high, keep breaking high, and you are looking for short on 15 minutes. Yes, you can have a good trade, but you have a losing trade much. So you know that okay, on that daily time frame, it's very market keep breaking above the previous candle, previous day candle. I should be looking for short on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 hour. So trading against trend is the number two, which is very easy to solve. Using higher time frame insight, come to lower time frame, you have to see the market is doing opposite of what is you want to see on market is bullish on daily time frame. On 15 minutes, you want to see market bearish. That's it tells you that oh good. So anytime market just change from that bearish to bullish, it is your time to be in the market with because of the higher time frame you have. So using higher time frame to know what you are going dealing with on daily lower time frame, that will sort your losing trade from like 10 to 5 or lower. So number the third one is poor management. Yeah, poor management. Sometimes we can get it right, get the trend right, enter market in a good place. But what I'm saying is this: let's say because of market is bullish, because market is bullish, we see. So maybe you believe that market is still bullish, or market need just to come back, take some liquidity below, and use some area to buy up, or waiting for confirmation to be in that buy. So when you get your buy from that very extreme, first of all, the first eye that was created before your answer is the first liquidity area. It's your first place to even target. Know that? It's a very good place for you to target. So it's a very good place for you to target and see. Maybe you know the market is still going up, then secure some half of your profit, reduce your loss, reduce your stop loss, then open market will still go up. You can do that, or you have a system 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. Before market could take this up, you already got your one, your what you want to get out of market because you have system. Wait for another setup to form. That is how poor management cost us because we leave market bullish, you hold the trade, the market just do this and come back again and take you out. So which trend can change any moment. Like I said, market can change any moment, anytime. That is why we need a proper management of 1:3, 1:2, 1:5. That's what you want to get. You get it, take it out. If you want to be holding trade, there's a way you have system for that. You can build system for the one who can want to be holding trades. Do that. It's possible. So three is our poor management. With my PC, I think I can have. So maybe can we have example of those getting liquidified or trading? This kind of example now, you can see market is bearish. So this little change of character that happens right there, we make it like oh maybe push it out, market take it out, looking for buy here is the key now. You're now buying, especially market queuing up. Market just go take some liquidity and continue the trend. So I wish to do more, but I believe